Here's the tough thing about big goals. Your big goals are based on an idea that started in the back of your head, an image that you've continually been drawing in your mind. And the key to achieving those goals is to bring it out into real life. But here's what's tough. If you're going to do something that is great and something that is important to you, but that nobody else has done, or you at least don't see other people doing this thing in your daily life, it's a tough path when you don't have an easy first step. And my project that I worked on myself is a process of finding a path forward for your big important goals before you die, and doing it in small, achievable, bite-sized steps so that you always have a chance to back up and change direction if something doesn't feel right, and you're able to make progress moving forward despite a very busy life with many commitments. The image I have in my mind when I think about this process is the contrast with a rock climbing gym. So if you've seen a rock climbing gym, you walk in and it's a tough climb, but there are preset handles and grips in the gym. So you're gonna grip this, you're gonna put your foot up on the next ledge, you're gonna grip the next ledge, you're gonna hook on the next one. So it's difficult. But I compare that to kind of going to get a certain university degree. It is hard work, but it has a known path and very probable and known outcomes. So you're still within something that is predefined that others have created. So there's somebody in the university you can go meet with to talk about your degree. There's an application process that already exists. There's little Scooby snacks you can get along the way, getting this class done, getting this grade. Much of life that most people choose is that way. You get a job at this certain company and they give you a menu for your career, and you climb daily to do the little things that they request of you to go forward in that career. Those are goals that are important and valuable, and they're very valid. People get stuck when they have this deep passion within them and it hasn't been done in the exact same way they want to do it. And they need to get the momentum and the action in real life to drive that goal forward. And that's where I started creating a change management process that people can apply to themselves. I did it to myself and realized this is so repeatable. This is a thing. This is just a process anybody could do. Because it can be an easy process you are drawn through, but every step and every decision has to be defined by you. And then the next step has to be chosen by you. And the next conversation, I do this thing called time tethering. So you make a decision and hook to the next conversation or meeting or decision. And then you make that decision and you hook to the next, so that your calendar always has one next step on the calendar, so it will pull you forward to force you into progress. Because making that real in real life and making that progress occur helps you open into these real conversations that teach you about this undefined thing you're trying to achieve or build or grow or start. And so that is what I'm working on in KindEdge.com, and I hope you will join me, because there are too many people on earth who are doing those known tasks, those known careers, those predefined goals, and they have a secret sauce, and I bet you do too. something that's special and funky or interesting or brave about you. And if you could step into the path of giving that some oxygen in real life, I think you could contribute to the world in a way that is different from anyone else and pretty darn cool. So I wish you progress in your goals. I wish you an expression of the secret sauce in you. And I hope you can join me at any of the social media platforms, KindEdge, KindEdge, or YouTube, or my website is kindedge.com, and you can subscribe to my email list there. And I have quite a few videos building on YouTube that I've just begun. So I hope you will join me, and I wish you the best. Thank you.